There are 7,000.
No, it's 57.
No! We all know, ladies and gentlemen, that there are 7,107 islands in the Philippines.
7,000 hasaan. I will show you the proof.
Hala!
It's documentation.
No! One thing you can assure to yourself because there are lots of twins here in Hasaan. You are not allowed to 507.
There are 104 million Filipinos.
And the billions of the people.
Where's the proof? We want the proof that it's...
I research it. Hasaan, a municipality, and Misamis Oriental, 2010 is 57,055 people.
Hala! It is the wrong information.
Ay, ba? Ako may apilo ng ulo di ay day.
Apila day.
Kailangan ko ng ulo, tangin.
Yeah, it's 57,000.
See? With a density of 740 inhabitants per square kilometer.
Go!
But you can think, you can sure that the kilometer is not a value to look. Oh, Chico Lopez, thank you so much. Because one thing you can assure to yourself is a very, the population of the city, the population of the municipality here in the house is not uneasy.
Huh? Is that
It's not uneasy.
It's not uneasy?
Of course, because the people here work hard. And they're very passionate.
Hala.
Fishing and farming would be the source of income of Hassan.
Fishing and farming are my primary requirements, and there are also corporations here in Hassan.
The corporation is not a law.
I'm the province of
Ma'am LG Palobas, love you. Yes, more stars, Ma'am LG.
More stars. No more stars, no more English.
Wala namang good siya na pag-iaway.
How was the pato? I want it in English.
Hindi po ano, G-Sam.
Oh.
Alam mo, G-Sam. Hi, Sisi. Sisi Liap. Korea.
Ano yun? What's your
How was the pato?
The pato, it's crunchy and edible.
How about you? How was the pato?
Parang siyang bubble gum. Dahil, crunchy lang siya, masarap, matagal at
English man.
English.
very
You go to school.
delicious.
You go to school, right?
Hala.
You go to school in your college, and you're not
Yes.
speaking English with the pronunciation.
No,
Hala.
I am speaking English, but kinamais.
No, your English is unacceptable.
Hala.
No,
Bayot.
Unacceptable. If I am the English teacher, I will fail you.
Hala.
spell fail.
Hala.
If you are a teacher,
Hala.
fail.
Hala.
As your pronunciation, F-E-L-L.
Hala.
You fail. F-E-L-L. Because that is your pronunciation. You
Fill
no
in the blanks.
no
I feel you.
no. It's important that your pronunciation is concise and precise.
Hala.
Ang important is acceptance.
Hala.
No,
Wasa
no,
ng nota.
no, no.
Naman na yung nota.
The most important is acceptance. Acceptance and
No,
not
there
bullying.
is no such
Because
thing as a
bullying.
there is no such thing as a relevance of the acceptance.
Hala. Bayot.
No, that's the relevant.
There is no relevancy of the acceptance of your
But one
your
thing you can
pronunciation.
assure to yourself,
Go. Go.
be professional. Even though you're not a professional.
Hala.
Yes.
Yeah, and it is because Lyra has a boyfriend
I have
Hala.
no boyfriend.
that follow her here.
Hala.
No boyfriend. My
Dahil-
boyfriend is
Mga ana lagi pa kagusto sa inyo. Mga ana pa kagusto sa inyo. Saan na day? Nga naman na.
Walang kabalo.
Sa ning papi.
I have no boyfriend since birth.
Your boyfriend is a
That-
friend.
that-
No, not a fiance.
Macron,
That conclude that Lyra has a good charisma.
Macron have a boyfriend, 3 boyfriends yesterday.
Hala. Gidaot.
3 boyfriends yesterday.
Why are you telling our viewers that Macron is a malandika? Macron is a flirt?
Hala!
Pilak sabi niya, bisag kuan. Pilak ba? Pilak ba? Loy ba ya? Hilak ng katawa. Sabag ka nga hilak.
Makailak nga na.
Yung magong papa, yung lola.
Ano na din?
Tanaw ka diyan na.
Naku na ba na sa apil basta ang tanghalan. Oh no, kamang sila.
Naman good na ako i-picture din iyang lola ko. Oh no.
Nga naman magkataon na.
Basta ikaw mahilak ko. Umiyak nga siya. Iwan ko kung umiiyak siya or tumatawa siya.
Like sinining bi. Tawag halang magkailyoy ka.
Hilak pa kayo mo gusto.
Dili kay ko ano makailak ani nga kanta kaning isa.
Katong kuan, tagumpay nating lahat.
Uy, halang nga eh.
Kan tulo jud ha. Ay nakailak naman ka kay kuan.
Sa gapon na.
Oh. Mo na yung pang-audition.
Ano pang audition nila po?
Itong nag-uniform siya. Nag-cultural service.
Naong ba? Inusinti tayo.
Pinos kayo. Kapag baru balibo po sa unang nakukuha na.
Gabi na mo pindot na bitaw.
Nakapal baru balibo. Ay mana ipapataw na din panatawin.
Was kayo ka. Bakit mo? Naman ako mag-zoom. Mas kay kamilak ko eh. Ginoo ko.
Kaya masaya man yung papa o lola ba?
Mali ka na ko eh. Nagiginaw ko. Tabang.
Nawa ka rin eh. Ayoko nga.
Libog may sa'yo mo gilak na nagkatawa ka. Go. Bayot. Zumba bayot. Hala. Pak. Dapat pati yung paa. Every part of the body should move. Pak. Bayot. Lumilindol yung bahay.
Salam.
Next ko.
Very good.
Thank